After consecutively posting positive quarterly results for the first time in several years, Philippine Airlines remains optimistic about a highly profitable 2023 as demand for air travel soars. With an expectation for a profit-churning year, Philippine Airlines also expects to make a potential order for more wide-bodies in the following months. In today's video, let's look at what the airline has its eye on. Concerning its current wide-body fleet, the Philippine flag carrier has 10 Airbus A350-1000s, 2 A350-900s, and 9 Boeing 777-300ERs. The airline previously operated 6 Airbus A350-900s, but as it struggled financially, it had to reduce capacity when it filed for Chapter 11 amidst the pandemic. And now that times are better, Philippine Airlines is eager to regain the required capacity as it revisits its order book. More specifically, the airline is considering upgrading from the current flagship Airbus A350-900s to the bigger A350-1000s. When speaking at the airline's 82nd anniversary event, Chief Operating Officer Stanley Nung highlighted that although eyes are on the Airbus A350-1000s, knowing exactly how many remains uncertain, as the airline has other expenditures to work through. Nung stated, "The capital expenditure would probably almost double this year because of all the improvements we wish to invest in, including system upgrades and customer relationship management systems. We'll also be reactivating 7 parked aircraft by the end of this year and taking delivery of 13 Airbus A321neos through 2026. This wouldn't be the first time the carrier has set its sights on obtaining the A350-1000. The last time it had its eyes on the larger aircraft was back in 2018 when Airbus offered the bigger variant as a replacement for the airline's Boeing 777s and to match the unfilled order of the airline's Boeing 787-9s. But since emerging from Chapter 11 early last year, Philippine Airlines decided to let the past be the past, not wanting to be tied to the old traditional airline business models running on legacy systems. The flag carrier wants to instead divide its focus on developing new all-cargo markets to remove dependence on single revenue streams. This means that some of the airline's Boeing 777s are sometimes used for cargo-only flights, leaving plenty of room for some long-haul wide-body additions. And with commonality and bigger seating capacities for long-haul flight services, the A350-1000s present as the perfect fit for Philippine Airlines. If the carrier does take in the A350-1000s in the near future, the aircraft is decent enough for the airline to fly to several more long-haul destinations at full capacity. But with financial commitments always playing a significant factor in aircraft orders, it'd be interesting to see how many aircraft will be ordered. Either way, it's good to see Philippine Airlines slowly thriving again. Do you think the Airbus A350-1000 is the right fit for Philippine Airlines, or is another type a better match? Let us know in the comments below. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.